Everything in life goes through a journey of transformation. Humble butterflies were never born into the beautiful forms they are known for. They start off small, leaf-eating insects before they undergo the process of metamorphosis, a process after which they emerge as something entirely different. This is the story of a group of committed leaders as they go through a process of metamorphosis we know as the Area Management Training Program.
Finally, kasi 3 years na ako kay primary, ito yung hinihintay kong training na para sa akin.
Excited pa rin kasi this is a new knowledge for me.
Sobrang excited ako. Kasi number one, as area leader, nagkakandak tayo ng small trainings for our people. And through this, kung kasi nagkakandak ka ng training for your people, and then walang pumapasok or walang input sa akin, medyo mauubusan ka.
Nervyos kasi baka mamaya, alam ko kasi na matagal na sila. Kung baka hindi ako ganun makapag-share or contribute sa kanila, sa mga alam na nila.
Ang feeling ko, assignment, project, reporting. So, kumbaga, although lahat yun, nandun. Pero kasi sa school, iba yung way nung teaching ni Apex.
Ito yata ang first time na nagkaroon ng training for area leaders na talagang magagamit namin, no? Para mag-grow pa kami as a leader.
Some say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The first step was overcoming learning curves for competencies in problem solving and analytics, business development, and area management.
May groupings. Ang ganda ng groupings kasi multi-SBU sa isang group. Hindi masyadong nagsama-sama yung magkaka-SBU, kaya maraming sharings talaga yung nangyari.
Na parang lahat leaders, parang lahat nagpo-follow, pero meron pa rin sila gustong everything that you will show, magre-reflect sa'yo.
So, makikita mo kasi bawat isa, yung pagka-leader nila. Pagka-leader namin, makikita mo doon, very competitive.
While there were challenges along the way, they took them head-on, with renewed confidence and sharpened skills that reaffirmed why they came to be called area managers.
Bumuo kami ng sarili namin company name. So, isa yung sa tumatak sa akin na gumawa kami ng bahay na lahat kami, napaka-competitive namin lahat. And then after a while, nung natapos na yung oras kay Miss Mahal, lahat kami hindi nakabuo ng perfect house. Hindi lang doon natapos, merong pantulay na kailangan mo i-build.
Sobrang laki na itutulong kasi nga lahat ng tinapil nga doon is talagang important para sa isang leader.
Especially may individual project and we are tasked to do strategic planning. So talagang nag-isip na nagpaka-brand person ako, nagpaka-marketing ako at nagpaka-operations ako, and all into na pinasok ko yung ideas ko doon sa strategic planning.
Yung pinaka nagkaroon ng impact sa akin during that session, during the AMTP, would be yung problem solving and decision making. Sa challenges, sa area ko ngayon, sobrang daming challenges kami na pinagdadaanan. Specifically sa sales, so pumasok talaga sa isip ko yung pinagdadaanan namin sa sales ng Columbia SM Pampanga, ng DC SM Pampanga, Quicksilver SM Pampanga. So after nung session na yun, I was so excited na i-share dun sa mga tao ko, dun sa dalawang area supervisor ko, at saka dun sa mga store leaders ko, dun sa 3 tindahan na yun specifically, kung namin i-address yung challenges nila dun sa benta.
Ito nga na-stuck na tayo sa kung ano lang yung alam natin ngayon. Kailangan continuous talaga ang pag-aaral. Lumabas ka, mag-search ka, mag-aral ka pa.
The training program might have ended for now, but for them, this is just the beginning. They have bid farewell to the classroom, their own version of a chrysalis, and now ready to face the challenges of the real world.
Para kaming sasakyan na tumakbo ng pagkahaba-haba. Pero right after that, para kaming na-overhaul.
Buong SBU, isang SBU siya yung hinahandle ko, mas malaki. Mas nai-apply ko yung mga natutunan ko doon, how to handle yung mga situation.
Heroic ng dating sa pakiramdam na kaya ko pala.
Handa na akong lumaban sa anumang pagkakataon.
The program has taught them all they need, equipped them with all the knowledge and wisdom that will enable them to be the best leaders out there.
Ako'y handang-handa na sa dami ng bala na naibigay sa akin. Kating-kati na ako na mai-apply siya lahat na sa mga store people ko. Lahat na
magagamit namin at makakapag-build kami ng maaayos na leaders ngayon. So gusto ko talaga kung ano yung meron ako, I have to share with them.
It is time to put all these learnings into practice and take pride in what they can contribute after this journey. Now, the curtain rises on the graduates of the Area Management Training Program as they continue on with their journey, not as better caterpillars, but as beautiful butterflies.